Hi, this is Kevin, and we're doing a series on how to start your own business. And this is number 4, part 4. And we're going to talk about equipment purchases and financing options for somebody new to starting their own business. Okay, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about equipment purchasing and financing, and I'll tell you how I did mine, and maybe that'll help you. But I started out just paying cash for small residential mowers in my lawn service. I would get them on Craigslist for $400 to $600, and I would just go like that and buy them cash, and I didn't want to have the debt at first. And then over the years, when I finally built my business up, I had enough customers to, pay the bill, pay all the bills, and then some. So I decided, well, let's go ahead and get some commercial zero turns. And I went down to John Deere, went down to Everglades Equipment Group in Naples, and John Deere was offering 0% financing for 48 months or 36 months or whatever. So I went ahead and applied for that, and John Deere financing is very easy to go through. They approved me within like an hour, and my credit score wasn't like off the charts great, but it wasn't bad either. It was just fair. So, but anyway, they approved me even with a fair credit score, and so that was how I financed my mowers. And John Deere Equipment Financing they've been very good. I've actually got 5 things financed through them, and they're very good. They approve me faster and faster each time, and the more equipment you purchase, the better price you'll get next time. They put you into tiers like 1, 2, 3, whatever. And so that's who I used, and I'm very happy with them. It's easy. You can go right to your dealer. The dealer will submit it for you. And the other good thing about using John Deere is they put the insurance right on there. It's only like $400 or something, for maybe $600 for 4 or 5 years or whatever. And so that's over the life of the loan. So anything happens to that mower, it falls off the trailer, burns up, whatever, gets stolen, they will replace that. I think the deductible is like $1,000, but hey, on a $10,000 machine, that's fine. So that's who I use for the mowers. And as far as a trailer goes, we use Tropic Trailer. They're out of Fort Myers in Florida, and I ended up getting a PJ trailer through them, and I would recommend PJ. That wasn't my first trailer. My first trailer, back in the beginning, I just used a Continental. It was $1,500 cash. I ended up paying cash for that. But nowadays, the trailer I needed and wanted was like $5,000, so we went ahead and got that. We financed that one through American Express. American Express will actually give out small business owner cards, and they'll give you 0% for like 12 or 18 months. And so it wasn't that hard to get. So for business financing, I would recommend American Express Blue Business for cash. And we got one for each business because we got 0% for 12 to 18 months. So we could get the bigger things we needed and finance it with 0% interest. Capital One you can also use. The difference between Capital One Business, Spark, and MX Blue for Cash is MX Blue for Cash, it's all done through your business. It's all reported to your business credit. Okay? At Capital One, they report everything on your personal credit. So it's, I would rather have it on my business credit, but you don't know this thing until you try. But Capital One Spark for Business, they'll probably start you out at $500, and that'll give you some financing. And so that's how I did the mowers and the trailers. And on the boat, for my charter boat business, I started out going to a credit union in the beginning. They would finance the boat, even though it's business. And that worked out good. However, this particular credit union doesn't finance business purchases anymore. But I would check with your local credit union first. You're going to get a bigger break and a better interest rate through a local credit union. Maybe you belong to one, but I would do that over the banks. They seem to be faster and more responsive. And so with that credit union loan, I put the boat, motor, and trailer all in one. So it was a 12-year note. It was paid off a long time ago. Been in business with the charter boats for 24 years. Been in business with the lawn service for about 15 years. And that's how I have went for the route of financing. Now, just one more note. I don't know if I told you, but John Deere is always offering these 0% finance offers. And everything I got through John Deere is 0% except for one thing. I think it was 1.9%. But the other 4 out of 5 are 0. So that's another thing I like about John Deere financing is that you get the 0% offers. You get them for a decent number of months. They're easy to apply through. They're easy to approve you. And they throw the insurance in there too. So for your lawnmower business, I would definitely recommend John Deere financing. So there you have it. That's our 4th video in this series. I got a bunch more coming. So if you like it, just hit the like button and hit subscribe, and we'll keep cranking out some more videos for you.